Yeah guys, morning. Welcome back to our next video. This morning, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna boil some porridge. Yeah, this mixed porridge, cornmeal, oats, and peanuts. You understand what I did? Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna blend up some coconuts. You understand what I did? Guys, watch what I go on in our kitchen. Cornmeal, peanut, and oats. Mixed porridge guys. So watch your badness in our kitchen today. Yeah, drink people, so my coconut, cut up my coconut them, so what am I gonna do now? I go blend up it and I'm gonna sew go on in the kitchen. You understand all these guys? I be a badness. Yeah guys, so this is my coconut. I wash him off. So what am I gonna do now? I go blend him up. You understand all these? So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. People, them trying to tamper with my divorce. All the judge himself I try to tamper with my divorce. People right now, me can show no my receipt. Yo, boss, no, me don't know me I got code fine. Remember that, Right now, me can show no my receipt, but me not go show no now because me kind of busy, but me go show no next time. You understand now, dude? Me go show no my receipt for me divorce. Me and you no there. Me and you no live together. Me and you divorce, and you have me in a court for what? Me no owe you. Me no owe you court no money for you picnic. What you have me in a court for? Boss, tell you already. Do not tamper with my divorce. All the judge himself, people. Me now lie to tell you, I have some things to tell you now. Yeah, that things when me come here to come witness even with some Jamaican. Yo, boss. Yo, I just true me don't want to talk certain things there. But guys, them can't stop me. And you see what make them have me up in a court too. Eh? You have some paper to sign. This a finger now sign no paper. You understand me? It good nor bad. Me not sign no paper for either good nor bad for nobody. You understand me? So watch out. Guys, I go boil my porridge and drink some porridge, some bad porridge. You understand me? Cornmeal, peanut and oats. And people, when you might hear me I talk some things I might feel say yo, me I talk just to get views and them things they know and the summary. Me I talk the facts. The facts. You understand me I did. Me see things go down here so with a Jamaican girl already and right now me can call it girl a yard. Boss, I don't want to say certain things. You understand me I did. Me just a gonna hold put out certain things on social media already and me send a message to Mr. Andrew Holness as there's a God because these people so fucked up. You understand me I did. Why you have me in a court? I try to charge for me for what? Eh? Or me look like me a money, me a rich man. Okay, gonna go ahead. As when me can say again, make sure you no tamper with me divorce. Guys, I go blend up some coconut and boil some porridge. Yeah guys, so I go blend up the coconut and now I'm gonna see what I'm going. You understand all these guys are some bad porridge, Peanut, cornmeal and oats. You understand all these guys. Watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up my stove, put on my pot. You understand me? What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put in my cornmeal first to go and boil. And I'm gonna use the coconut juice and blend the peanut and the oats. Guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, as you can see, I light up my stove, pot up on fire. You understand me? So what I'm gonna do? I go mix up some cornmeal and I gonna sew and go on in the kitchen. You understand now, dude? Yeah, so guys, watch how I go on. Yeah, guys, so this is my cornmeal. You understand now, dude? So I go mix up it. I gonna sew and go on in the kitchen. Guys, I be about this in the kitchen. I mean, I like to tell you, be about this. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this go and boil. And meantime it a boil, I'm gonna blend me peanut and my oats together. You understand me all these guys? Watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put my cornmeal in the pot and now to go and boil. You understand me all these? Guys, I be your badness, you know. Be about this in the kitchen, remember that. So it's more of a first thing, the cornmeal. Yeah guys, so make the cornmeal go and boil. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend my oats and my peanut. You understand all these, yeah. Yeah guys, so my peanut and my oats. So I go in the blender, yeah. So I'm gonna use the coconut juice and blend up it. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to ask a question. How can you call somebody nickname? You call somebody nickname, you know, and then put in the quote, and the judge say it's a chat. You see the summons that they give me? Guys, let me tell you, say, you know, these people don't. Come on, man. People don't read the summons when we post up. Eh? When you read the summons, how can you call somebody a name and it's a threat? It's a criminal charge. People, them trying to charge me for nothing. How can you charge somebody for nickname? You are trying to disrespect me and my style you. How can you try to charge somebody for that and tell them, oh, it's a threat? It's a criminal charge. Boss, judge, Grenadians, who don't need to go back to school. Yeah, you see the one them we in a high society say them a lawyer, them a judge, them a this boss, who don't need to go back to school, who no dunks. Viewers and subscribers want to watch the video them. I want to see someone's. You understand me, dude? Why you want to try to tamper with me the post? Why you want to try to tamper with me the post? Boss, Mr. Andrew Oles, me send you some message. And you remember me put out a video there where I say, Mr. Andrew, you take me out of the dunks class. Boss, why you looking through this? How can you give somebody a summons with it's an insult as can to them? You understand me? An insult can be a threat. How insult can be a threat? Eh? And criminal charges. Boss, we don't need to go back to fucking school. I mean, I'll say it again. Guys, I'm going to blend up some peanut and oats. Watch what go on in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to blend my peanut then and I don't know about this in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so right now we finished blend, so now we're going to go throw it in the pot and to the sewer account. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen. What? You see this one on YouTube, and that I kill the whole of them. Can't fucking stop me. Remember me tell them. Yeah guys, so I'm going to pour out my peanut and my oats in the cornmeal. You understand how yeah, so the cornmeal are the first thing we put on fire. You don't know oats and peanut easy to cook. You understand how 5 minutes. You understand how so make the cornmeal go on boil and then we blend up the oats and the peanut. So coconut juice and blend the oats and the peanut. You understand all these? So guys, watch where I go on. Guys, I'll be about this, remember, I tell you, be about this in the kitchen. Be about this, guys, be about this. Oats, cornmeal, and peanut. Guys, look at that. Watch. See that? Pretty thick. So guys, I'm not going to keep going boil. You understand now? Yeah, guys, I'll be about this. Be about this in the kitchen. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the cinnamon powder and we need something to make it go on boil, guys. Guys, watch about this in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so the cinnamon powder. And the mixed spice. Yeah guys, so now I make this go and boil. Stay tuned for the finishing look. You understand now? Yeah, guys, I'll be about this. Me and me vanilla and me nutmeg. I will put that last. You understand now? So guys, watch about this in our kitchen. Nutmeg, guys. Yeah guys, stay tuned for the finishing look when you at the plate guys. Very pretty? Yeah. Be about this. guys, the cornmeal, peanut and oats. Bad. Bad porridge, yo. Me not lie to tell you. Yeah, guys, my black and coconut now. And sweeten my porridge and I put no sour go on. And that's from all you guys. Let me tell you something now. When you come in my kitchen, you have good food. And when you come around me, you have some good ganja. Straight. Guys, soon come back. Guys, my milk. People, but I don't know warm to these people, yo. As that. No, when they mean that go to school, they need to take their book. They want to charge somebody for insult. It's a criminal matter. It's a criminal charge. Who the fuck you mean? You know, dunks. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen, be a badness. Badness me deal with. Some bad porridge. Peanut, oats, and cornmeal. Boil up in a coconut juice. What do we got a quote? Lawyer tell you can't charge me for that. There's no charge. Come back again. This is a big mouth judge. I don't know where he come from. I go tell him we have 2 criminal charge. But yeah, to try put something for me. You're not a picnic. Eh? You're not a picnic? Are you not a nephew? Are you not uncle? Come to your father. If you put 2 criminal charge for me. Yeah, if you put 2 criminal charge for me, don't need to go back to school. Yeah, you don't need to go back to school. No, don't. Don't set a motherfucker on me. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. Peanut, oats and cornmeal.